Start your day with doors that open to new possibilities. Uplifting Garage Doors. Built to last. Designed to impress. Proudly serving our community with reliable, neighborly service. From outdated to outstanding, we uplift more than just doors. One call or click, and we're on the way. Seamless access with smart garage technology. Because your loved ones deserve safe, secure entryways. We're not done until you're smiling. Premium doors that elevate your lifestyle and your home. We don't just fix doors, we uplift homes. Visit upliftinggarage.com or call us today.